Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning the circuit off and verifying no live voltage, safety first. Once done, mark exact centers for each spotlight using the template that came with the lights, spacing to avoid shadows and match task zones. Make a small pilot hole, then cut the ceiling with a hole saw size to the trim. This gives a clean edge and prevents cracking. You do this now because accurate holes determine flush mounting and electrical routing later. You route the cable from the switch or power feed to the first spotlight and continue to each subsequent hole, keeping slack for connections. Make secure connections inside the fixture or junction box, neutral to neutral, live to live, and ground to ground. Use proper wire nuts and push connectors so connections resist vibration. Once wired, push the housing into the ceiling, engage the retention clips, and test mechanical fit, so trims sit flush and heat-rated housings have the required clearance. You now fit the trim and bulbs, choosing LED modules that match housing and dimmer compatibility. Lower wattage keeps the fixture cool and efficient. Once installed, restore power and cycle the switch. Observe each spotlight for steady output and correct beam alignment. If a light fails or flickers, turn power off and recheck wire nuts, ground continuity, and whether the dimmer is LED compatible. A single loose splice or wrong dimmer commonly causes issues, so fix that before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.